This video chart presentation of Daqo New Energy brought to you by StreetBeat.com. It's a New York Stock Exchange company trading under ticker DQ. Doing a little bottom fishing here. You can see this from $13.69 earlier this year all the way down to about $1.50. A few different times it's given hints of trying to make a recovery, just hasn't been able to. Small bounces, about $1 a share. Here over the last week or so, you can see primarily been green days. So we're going to keep an eye on this and see if it's going to put together a reversal. Nice look through here, MACD trending back towards zero. So you have a difficult time moving through that level. Getting right near it now, I want to see if it's going to make the push, try and trend a little bit harder towards zero, make some new higher highs in the MACD. But right now it's a positive divergence, price per share is trending down, MACD is trending up, that's a bullish indication of a possible reversal. RSI is showing some momentum trying to come into the play. Again, having trouble with that 50 mark, even dating way back into here earlier in the year. You can see just a difficult time getting the longer term RSIs, the red and gold lines, up over top of 50. That's where you want to see them for this to try and go into bullish mode. But once again, trying to make the push, so it's worthy keeping an eye on it right now. From a candle standpoint, definitely be looking for the bottom support to hold. If it does come back down that support and breaks through it, the chance of it trying to make a new lower low down in this range, continuing this downward channel, is greatly increased. So we'll keep an eye on that bottom support. See the stock close at $1.69. At this price point, the gains can come pretty quickly. But right now, it's getting ready to challenge some resistance right there around $1.75. You can see it about bounced off of that level yesterday. And that's a spot I'll have an eye on to try and blow through, because the next resistance doesn't come into play until back up here around $2.30. 50-day moving average is coming down there. It's going to tie into it, add dynamic resistance to that point. But it's a pretty nice upside from the $1.69 it's at right now. There will be a little bit of resistance that'll come in, some secondary right there around $2. But I wouldn't see the resistance being more substantial until up around $2.35. Beyond that, it's pretty much a free and clear shot all the way up to around $3. But if it makes the break through the $2.35 and goes up there and challenges that, it's really increasing the odds this is going to find this as a true bottom and try and put together an upward trend from this point forward. Volume's not bad in this stock. You can see it's actually picked up the last couple days. 252,000 shares traded. I'd certainly like to see a larger volume surge to blow through this first resistance and go up here and challenge this next level. What I'd also have in mind over the next few weeks is a possible inverted head and shoulders. If it goes up, challenges this resistance, comes back down, holds this as support, and then tries to make another move, I'd look for a break of that line right there. That would become the neckline of the inverted head and shoulders, because overall it's a pretty strong reversal pattern, but it can take several months to develop. That's just something I'd keep my eye on. If it can break through this resistance, go up here, challenge this, and then gets knocked back down. In classic TA fashion, you want to see that resistance become support and form the pattern. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the DQ chart. But as always, this is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit StreetBeat.com to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by StreetBeat is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.